You know, and it feels good. I may be destroying my fingers by cracking, but it feels good. It feels good. I can crack every single one of these.